back to another gaming video. Today we're going to be playing Animal Crossing Pocket Camp once again. And yeah, I already started talking to this monkey. His name is Chip. I met him before. He's nice. He's nice, I think. I don't remember. I'm going to talk to these coconuts. I'm going over here if I can. Always be prepared. There you go, the peaches. Wasn't too bad. I have to give you a black bass. Wow, you're pricey. Why should I give you a black bass exactly? Can I really have it? Thanks, Ken. Yeah, I got 1,000 bells and I could have got 1,000 bells out of it. I'm gonna go check out my fruit. Today we're gonna be getting BLUEBEAR to our campsite because I got all the stuff for her. And who is that creepy sheep? Well, let's change my outfit because I don't really like what I'm wearing. I actually got this. I'm gonna be wearing this. I got this from Apple. Not the company Apple. Don't copyright me on this. But Apple, the character. Like the character Apple. Why is she a bear? Okay, you know why I never use that. Apple, there she is. She's like some sort of hamster thing. I have almost everything ready. See, I just need that, and I got a little shirt from her, the tee. That's where my angel. I'm an angel. I'm a fly. Let's be a superhero. And let's wear this. Let's wear that. There we go. Okay, let's give the sheep some. Okay. Hi, did you need something? Okay, yeah, put you on the tree. I don't really care. Here you go. What do you mean it's not easy getting your stuff on that? It's just a pear. Muffy, why? It's not that hard to get your hands on that. You just have to shake a tree and get the pears. Why do you want all this fruit? Yeah, she got some select fruit. Yeah, I'm over 40. I'm still a little bit sick today, guys. Sorry about that. Yeah, that's the peacock. Oh, now he gets some sketchy stuff. Trying to get more perfect fruit. Sorry about that, guys. Well, I collected all of that. Sorry if it was louder earlier. Sorry if it was louder earlier because I just noticed the volume. So yeah, things are louder on YouTube than it is here. Let me just adjust it. Okay, that shouldn't be too hard on your ears. But I'm running low on pairs. Yeah, there it is. Lots of geode rights, First University ones. We have a fancy carpet. What is that? A candelabra. I never heard of such things. A round cloth table. I need a cloth table, a basic cloth table, to get a round cloth table. Isn't that magnificent? Well, Silver. Well, we're gonna get a bond of Carrie some more. I don't even know what the little one is called. And you're gonna get to see, and you guys are also gonna see a little sneak peek on how I farm for money, other than talking to people and giving them stuff. Let's see, what can I get rid of? Picked up a lot of shells before the video started, so I had lots of shells. So where is Carrie the kangaroo? Yeah, okay, you take to my all founders, sure. Here you go. You guys tell me in the comments below what you want me to wear. I don't really know. Actually, don't I have party shoes? Yeah, party shoes. Why am I wearing these? Tell me a story. You collect all sorts of things, and some of those are really surprisingly big. You can't teach that kind of talent. And I get some more bonding time. Yay. Thanks a million. Yes, you're welcome a million. Okay, so this is like one of the few times they actually want me to give Tulip to them. Perfume. What the perfume? Carrie and I made a perfume. It's old factory delight. I never really smelled an old factory. I never intend to. Why did my red tulip make such a horrible smell? Why? Perfect one. I mean, I usually find neon teachers around here, but this one seems to be a pal job. Oh, I'm gonna go meet Filbert. I'm already maxed out on him, so I already am 10, and I'm starting to try to get the natural set. Not really. I'm more focused on not the natural set. I'll catch us, right? well, that's too bad. Okay. Okay, so there you are, Ken. I was hoping I'd run into you again. I've been meaning to ask you, have you seen the cave? I think I left it at my last campsite, but I can't find it anywhere. Okay. Is this a find mission? Like, find it mission? Or is it actually, like, just your beginning quote? As you see, I already maxed out with them. What's the latest? Yeah, that's gone. Excuse me. So Ken, what's new, Baka? Need some help? I have a theory that if you eat the seeds in a fruit, then that fruit will grow in your belly. That's what I thought when I was young too. I can put my theory to the test right now. Do you have any extra pieces of fruit? Do you really want to try that out? I mean, if you ask me, it's a little dangerous. I don't know. But you know, who cares? Here you go. And I don't think cherries really have seeds. I mean, yeah, they might have seeds. Actually, now that I think about it, I don't know how you grow cherries. Like, just get cherry seeds or what? I don't know. But here you go. Yeah, nothing's gonna really matter if I do anything with them or not. Go away. Got 145 geodites. We're getting the streets up. What can I find here? I have all those, I have all those, okay. And if you guys didn't know by now, of course I didn't say anything. Until now, I got a pearl oyster shell, which is pretty cool. I bought it from someone. I had to sell my fish, get enough money for it. I mean, those things don't just come every day, you know. Let's go look in the marketplace. I was going to cut that part out. Socks, I already bought the ankle socks. Nope, no need for any of those. Oh yeah, and I also discovered something at OK Motors. I'm pretty sure most of you already knew this, but I'm not sure if you guys already know this, but first off, you can get geodites over here. Second off, let's do, what's your name? Carlo. Next to Carlo, there is a brake machine. Whatever. I'm really bad at it though. No, that's sad. Yeah, I'm really bad at that. But it's pretty much if you have any extra friendship powder, then you can go over there and use it. Also, recently, I've gotten this guy, KK Slider. He looks weird in clothes. This guitar is my only tool. But that's not all it is. It shares my success and my failures, my joy and my suffering. It's my one true partner, you dig? Text, what do you want? I made a little band over there. Lately, I've been playing Matchmaker, and I don't just mean romantically. I mean latest pairing of a cup of hot coffee with a delicious piece of sponge cake. The cake texture perfect match of coffee's robust flavor. Just call it Cupid of desserts. Desserts, not deserts. I'm not feeling my best today, but doesn't mean I can't make a good video. I'm not as energetic or bouncy, skippy, giddy as I usually am. Yeah, Night told me that. Okay, Goldie wants to talk. Oh, there you are. I wish I could give you more, but hopefully this can make up some use to you. Yes, money. Yes, money, 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 money. I love money. Money's greatest. What's the world with no money? There you are, bunny. Tell me a story. Isn't a quickie drink I got some little meaning to give you? What? I don't know what you said. But I got cute essence. That's fine. Punchy kitty. As if you look carefully and when you're playing the Switch, you see there's Rosie in Breath of the Wild. Wait, no. Well, there's Isabelle, Mario Odyssey, there's Splatoon Rosie. There's Breath of the Wild, I don't know who that is. And I think that's Arms. Yeah. But Punchy, what do you want? What do you want, Punchy? Punchy. Hey, fan! Is it just me, or does it feel soup water? Tell me a story. Yep. Pay your rent. Whoa! May have paid a little too much, but I'm not gonna tell you. Hey, Punchy, I need to borrow your glasses. There we go. Now I'm gonna take my glasses back. You look like kind of worse, but you know. Now I can put the glasses on. Now I can be almost completely full set. Now, what do you need, Punchy? Did you lose something? Need some help? Whoa, Ken. I don't know if you felt that rumble, but in my stomach, I'm starving! Got any fish flopping around? I don't get too graphic, but I think I could eat an entire aquarium worth of it right now. Well, if you're really that hungry, I might as well give you, a snapper. Give it for 100, get it back for 1,000. I got 1,500 coins out of it. I'm pretty sure if I was to give him a flounder or anything, it would have just give me 100, but it gave me a lot more. And if you guys weren't already aware of the quiz on Twitter, Animal Crossing Pocket Camp is making a little quiz for you people that are like Animal Crossing prodigies. Like our little orchestra band over here. Picture time. We also want you to get inside the picture. Take a shot. Save it. That was like ultimate synchronization. But as I said, we're gonna upgrade this today. It's gonna transform to great to amazing. Okay, so yep. So much better. Looks exactly the same, except a little bit bigger. And there it is. Everyone, enjoy everyone. Clap, 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 clap. I should have bought BLUEBEAR here before, you know. So I could have a possibility of upgrading my relationships. In the future, I'm going to show myself this and show how much of a dummy I am for not bringing BLUEBEAR. Oh, thanks, Liz. Wait, that's how you say your name. I don't know. But we're going to bring BLUEBEAR here. Oh, I'm going to self-arrange this. Okay, so I need, okay. Now what else? Boom, gigantic rod. Boom. That. Done. Boom. Wonderful. Can this go over here? Nope. And one more thing. Where is it? Where's my one more thing? Okay, what the heck am I doing? There we go. And done. I'm sure that BLUEBEAR will love this a lot. I don't know why everyone has so much fun turning on lamps. Like, every time I go into the camping place, I feel like everyone's turning on lamps. As I expected, your campsite didn't disappoint, Ken. I wish I knew your secrets. Yes, now BLUEBEAR can come visit my campsite anytime. Yep, sure. Well, I have to make room for her. And we don't have to wait anymore because it's finished. So you're Okay, Beau, wanna change your outfit? I'm gonna pick your normal outfit. I'm taking winter clothing so I can use it for other animals. So, what do you think? I like it. Thanks, Ken. I literally took away all your clothing that I gave you. Of course you'll like it. Right? No, of course not. BLUEBEAR. We can actually get Bunny's clothing off, and we can also get rid of Goldie's outfit that I gave her. Okay. I finally finished that. Now I can send you home. Let's send you home. Add Cherry here. And add Apollo here. Okay, guys. Actually, let me check something. Nope, never mind. Oh, yeah. I'm gonna do this again. Okay. That looks exactly the same. Yay, it's so much better. I didn't see anything change. I must not be able to do so many good things. I must not have a very good eye then. I didn't see anything change. And we are also going to be getting okay. Now, as I was saying before, now we are going to be getting oh, come on. Now we are going to be getting this. Sure, I'll use a few leaf tickets. That's fine. Yep. I hope that this can finish. Okay, so now we're gonna be getting you some more clothing. No. I'll tell you guys. Okay, I picked this up for Apollo. Hopefully he likes it. Oh, this makes me 20 years younger. Thanks, kid. Oh, this makes me 20 years younger. Thanks, Ken. Who was the other one that was near Cherry? Yeah, Cherry. Okay, so I think this looks pretty good. We can add some glasses. Yep, that looks great. Wow, it's a perfect fit. Thanks, Ken. I'm really bad at making their voices, so please just avoid and just add like the voice. Did I hear you right? You're gonna put an outfit for me? I'm so lucky or what? Am I lucky or what, Peach? I'm not Princess Peach, I'm sorry. Boom! Beautiful. No. I mean, we could put you in a dress. How would that look? So many. Nope. That won't really fit you. That one looks pretty nice. That one looks the best. Okay, so I got a outfit sorted out for her. I mean, yeah, Bluebear looks nice, sure. I also need to get my flowers. Yeah, strip the stage. Yay. I picked out Bluebear's outfit. Check us out. Look at the blooms. I'm gonna pollinate you. A white possy seed. Yay. Okay, well that's it. We're gonna order seeds. There we go. Now time for harvest. Harvest all done. And plant some mini seeds. Always have to make it symmetrical. You don't have to, but I just like it being symmetrical. This makes more sense for me. Leave on those. That works, no. Sorry about that, guys, but we're going to be putting these. I ran out of room, so I decided to get rid of some stuff. I don't know why I decided to plant many. Okay, I'm finished. Okay, well that's gonna be it for this episode, guys. If you like this video and would like to see more, hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell to get notified when I make another video just like this. If you want me to be famous and be like Casey Slider, smash that like button. Yeah, I already said that. But smash that like button if you would like to see more, and I'll see you guys next time. Keep on gaming. Oh yeah, and I also forgot to did I need to do something? No? Okay. Whoops, it's gonna be an hour episode, guys, okay? Never mind. I'm probably gonna cut that part out. But, like, seriously, guys, I'll see you guys in the next episode. If you enjoyed this video and like to see more, subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when I make another video like this. See you guys next time. Bye.